What's going on, everybody? And in today's video, we're going to discuss if you should be paying for a consultation fee for credit repair and why CROA, which is the Credit Repair Organizations Act, is 100% against paying for a consultation fee. Let's talk about it. All right, so credit repair and consultation fees. Now, I by no means am perfect. I've made mistakes in this business. I've learned things that I was not supposed to be doing, but guess what? I fixed those and started doing everything to make sure that I'm compliant. So, when it comes to paying a consultation fee, most credit repair companies consider a consultation work completed. But all they're doing is going over your report, telling you what's inaccurate, telling you what's hurting your score, etc. That's it. So the Credit Repair Organizations Act does not consider that work completed. So here at Everything Credit, the way we do things, and you can ask anybody that's ever signed up with me, once you sign up, once I have your report, once I have your documents, I'm going to type up all the letters. I'm going to have those letters in envelopes ready to go before you pay a processing fee, because that is considered work completed. Now, one reason why a lot of credit repair companies don't want to do the work first is because what you can run into, luckily I've never run into this, somebody signs up, you do the work, letters are ready to go, and they don't pay you. That's just part of the game. And also, make sure that your credit repair company will show you their work. If one of my clients requests to see what I'm sending to the bureaus, I will email them a PDF document of the exact letters I'm mailing to them. And you, as a consumer, working with that credit repair company, you have the right to see everything they're doing, whether they are faxing, mailing, or online, ACATing, whatever you want to call it. You deserve to see that. It's part of what you are paying for. They can't refuse to not show you the work. If they do, there's a very good chance they're not doing any work. So you definitely got to watch out and be careful for that, because it can happen. Anyway, I know I haven't made a video in a while. I apologize. I've been extremely busy, but I am caught up now and just wanted to make a short video to go over consultation fees. So if a credit repair company wants you to pay a consultation fee, you tell them, no, it's against the Credit Repair Organizations Act, and you refuse to pay. It should be free. Ours are always free. In fact, most clients don't even want a consultation with us. Our work speaks for itself. They've seen what we can do, and we take care of them. If y'all have any questions or concerns, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great Friday.